today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get mods and Gorilla Tag. So first, what you're gonna want to do is open up Monkey Mod Manager. And then make sure you have Utila. So make sure you install Utila right there. You can see it's installing Utila. Yeah, it's installing Utila. And if it says status install complete, that's good. So what you're gonna want to do is go into BebNX folder, and then you're gonna want to go into plugins, and then as you can see, these are all the mods you can see you have. So Five Nights at Gorillas, new camera mod. You have to download these, so these won't automatically just show up in your folder. So now you can close Monkey Mod Manager, and then what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna just you're gonna click on this button right here, and then it should do this. And what you're gonna want to do is go to File Explorer, and then open that, and then you do that. You're gonna go to Download, and then as you can see, the iStupid mod menu is right there. So you're just gonna drag. You're just gonna drag the iStupid mod menu into the folders, into plugins, and then once you do that, the iStupid mod menu should be on your the menu you installed should be on your in your Gorilla Tag. Now, to get mod menus, you might have to have like Discord or something, and like make sure you have like the let's see, the IC's modding community, credits to him, and you're just gonna want to go to mod menus, and then you can install the iStupid mod menu right here. Let's see, so AZ menu doesn't work because it's like illegal. So if you open the AZ menu in your in your Gorilla Tag, it won't show up because, well, Gorilla Tag won't show up if you get the AZ menu. I'm gonna start recording for a second. Hold on. Okay, and then you can, and then on Steam VR, on Steam, just do this, and then Gorilla Tag. Make sure your Oculus is on and you have Steam Link on, and then you either have your Oculus open or your Steam open, so you can go into Steam Link, or yeah. Okay, that's how you get mods on Gorilla Tag. I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, bye.